Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps crashing on your OPPO Reno 15F. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the settings app. Now we're gonna go to apps, so we need to scroll down a little until we see apps right here. Now let's tap on app management, and here you need to search for app that is crashing for you. So I'll choose the Play Store for an example. Now here what we need to do is you want to clear the cache and clear the data. So we're going to click on storage usage, we're going to clear the cache and clear the data. As you guys can see, including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So make sure to now open up the Play Store. As you guys can see, everything here is working properly, and there should be some cache after we use it for a while. As you guys can see, we already got some data back and cache back, but as you guys can see, the app is now working and it's not crashing. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.